Well, here's a video I didn't think I'd be making, especially because we just came out of Black Friday and Cyber Monday. I just can't wrap my head around what's going on. I mean, did Milwaukee Tool and DeWalt get Cyber Monday and Black Friday wrong? I honestly thought we saw some really good deals if you look for them, or if you're subscribed and have all notifications enabled. Maybe you're happy this is happening. Maybe you missed all these deals. Well, we have a reboot, a Black Friday 2.0, so to speak. You may ask, who exactly would want to see DeWalt and Milwaukee Tools prices plummet like this? I can assure you, contractors, metal workers, electricians, plumbers, even HVAC technicians are going to love this. So make sure to share this video with them. But here's the deal. This is a flash sale. It's for a limited time and quantities are limited. So if promotional items sell out, it's over. If the flash has flashed, it's over. But if you've missed the awesome savings, don't get mad. Get subscribed and enable all notifications because the notification squad eats first. You should never pay full price for tools ever again. Link is in the description to follow along and grab these deals. Now, on to the deals. They're going to go quick, so make sure you open your eyeballs and ear holes because you don't want to miss these. First up, we have a deal from DeWalt that I think is really swell. When you buy 20 volt max, power stack, compact, 1.7 amp hour and 5 amp hour starter kit with a charger for $349, you get to choose any two of these bare tools for free. You got a lot of good choices, but for my money, I would go with the 20 volt max XR brushless coreless compact router and the XR brushless coreless reciprocating saw. Pretty much, you're getting $418 worth of free tools with the $349 investment into the Power Stack starter kit. And if you don't know what the Power Stack batteries are, go on over to this video here. DeWalt is also running a promo on a bunch of their kits. These tools are already marked down from retail, but for Black Friday 2.0, they're going to knock off an additional $50 on the purchase of $200 or more on qualifying tools. Two of my favorite choices here are the XR brushless 3-speed oscillating multi-tool. It's the 2 amp hour kit and the 20 volt XR 18-inch band file power stack kit. And that band file is brand new. I can guarantee you, you will not find a deal on that tool anywhere else. And you can play around with that one to maximize your savings and get exactly the DeWalt tools that you need. Now, if you're here for the price drop on ketchup because you ain't in the mustard, we got a doozy for you. We got a free Milwaukee 100-piece pack-out shockwave driver bit set for the first 100 purchases. The best part is it will stack on top of the Milwaukee tool promos that are already running, like the Buy More, Save More pack-out promo. When you spend $200 or more on pack-out, you'll save $50, and then you'll get the free driver bit set on top of that. You want 3-piece pack-out? Add it to the cart. The rolling box, the large box, the small box. And Milwaukee will knock off $90, bringing the subtotal to $219.94. And Milwaukee will still stack the driver bit set on top. Milwaukee also has a free battery deal for M18 and M12. This driver bit promo will stack on top of that as well, as long as it's in stock and you're one of the first 100 purchases. Here's one you couldn't get a stacking deal on before. If you've been waiting to jump in on M18 Forge, there's 3 ways you could do it. These are the 3 best ways you could do it, as a matter of fact. You can get the M18 6 amp hour battery starter kit, the Fuel brushless Sawzall reciprocating saw kit, or the M18 Fuel brushless grinder with paddle switch forge kit. These are already marked down. They're already including that forged battery, and now you can stack that driver bit promo on top. It's the best of both worlds. And if you like getting promos on tools that you can't get anywhere else, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do, and it helps out the channel immensely. Leave it down in the comments section below. What brand and tools do you want to see on the next flash sale? Listen, I've been telling everybody that I promise you, from now until New Year, we're going to be having exclusive tool deals you will not find anywhere else. So let your opinion be heard. What is the next deal we should be running? I hope you get the tool deals that you need, because I appreciate each and every one of you, and I look forward to seeing you all next time. Thanks, everyone.